I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the router admin now. Use the router IP and your admin credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the status or connected devices page so you can see recorded client entries. Make sure to back up or export the current configuration first, because deleting history can be irreversible. This preserves settings and DHCP leases. If you can, switch to a wired connection to avoid interruptions while you make changes. Once done finding the logs section, identify specific log types: traffic logs, DHCP leases, or connection history. You will delete entries selectively or clear the entire log file. Choose selective deletion to keep useful diagnostics. Make sure to use the router's clear or delete command and confirm prompts, which prevents partial deletions. If there's no UI control, download the log and edit locally. Then upload a cleaned file or perform a firmware-supported reset to remove recorded entries. Finally, reboot the router so cache and temporary records are flushed and your changes persist. After reboot, return to the logs page to verify the history is cleared and review connected clients for any remaining traces. If records reappear or the UI won't clear, restore your exported backup and try a factory reset only as a last resort. Use the troubleshooting tip. Check firmware updates and upgrade before repeating steps, since old firmware can prevent proper log deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.